In this video, we are going to show how creating the ActionWise Gateway project. ActionWise Gateway is also an ActionWise project, built from the real project, with changes to become a snapshot of the field to provide data for the real project. In order to create the Gateway project from the real ActionWise project, performing the following actions, to transform it into a client's SCADA simulator. First step. In the first step you should copy the ActionWise project, to create another project. Changing its name, for example, add the GTW, Gateway, to the name of the original project. You should note that, do not make changes to the original real project. Second step. In the second step you should access the new project. Then go the edit part, the select AGS. In object part, choose sh_global, and go inside the template. Find the tag name GTW_simul. In order to indicating that this is a gateway, you should changing the start value attribute of the GTW_simul member to the value 1. Also, you should do the same for the tag name sh_simul.pos. To do this you should go to the object part, choose sh_simul, and go inside the template. Select tag name pos. And now, change the initial value to 1. Third step. In the third step, you should go to Edit part, then select Devices. Go to the Points part. Now you should remove all IEC 104S channel points that were from the original project, as they will not be used in the simulation. To do this, make filter on node part for IEC 104S channel points, then delete all of them. Fourth step. In the fourth step you should go to Edit part, then select Devices. In Channel part you can see Channel List created. Because the channel IEC 8705104 master will not be used, so you should change its initial state to reserved mode. Then, you should change the initial state of channel IEC 8705104S into enable mode. Fifth step. In the fifth step, you should open an Excel sheet. Go back to the project. Go to Edit part, then select Devices. Go to the Points part. Then select all the points of node IEC 104M. To do this, select Node Part, then make filter of node IEC 104M. Now copy and paste into the Excel all the points of node IEC 104M. You should note that, if this communication is made by more than one channel, repeat for each of these channels. 6th step. In the 6th step, you should go to the Excel sheet where you saved the points of node IEC 104M from original project. In this Excel, change the node name from IEC 104M to IEC 104S for all points. Select Node column, and then, use Replace tool to change the node name from IEC 104M to IEC 104S for all points. Then, select Access Type column, and then, use Replace tool to change the Access Type Write to Access Type Read Write 104 for all points. Also, change the points with Access Type Read to Read Write. Seventh step. In the 7th step, you should copy all points from the Excel table into the points table of the gateway design. The points thus obtained in Excel will create in the gateway the channel that will provide the real-time data, simulated, for the original actual ActionWise project. 8th step. In the 8th step, you should open the original ActionWise project. In the original ActionWise project, go to the Edit part, and then select Devices. Then go to the Nodes part. For the IEC 104 master channels, change the IP addresses and ports so that they connect to the addresses where the simulator gateway will be executed. Ninth step. In the 9th step, you should make script expressions for command arrive to gateway project. To do this, go to the Edit part, then select Scripts, and go to the Expressions. Make script expressions so that, when a command arrives, the circuit breaker and recloser's position changes accordingly to simulate the opening and closing of circuit breakers and reclosers. For example, for the first breaker, use its status breaker position tag, then use an expression for it, and select On Change for execution mode. You should refer to command tag for open the breaker. Then, repeat the same model to refer to command tag for close the breaker. Let's see another example for recloser. For the first recloser, use its status recloser position tag. Then use an expression for it, and select On Change for execution mode. You should refer to command tags for open and close of recloser. Note that you should do this for all breakers, reclosers, switches, and so on. In the 10th step, we are going to run the ActionWise project in parallel with Gateway Simulator project. ActionWise running in normal operation mode in the first system. This environment is the actual ActionWise project itself. which normally receives information read in the field by the third-party SCADA, using a communication protocol that can be IEC 60875-104, or ICCP/TACE2, or DNP3. The ActionWise Gateway running in simulator mode in the second system. ActionWise Gateway is also an ActionNet project, built from the real project, with changes to become a snapshot of the field to provide data for the real project. This project communicates with ActionWise Real Project running in the first system, as a server simulating third-party SCADA, sending the simulated data of switches states and measurements through IEC 60875-104 protocol messages. During this example task, the points in the IEC 104 protocol will be created to receive the third-part SCADA data. Attention! All manuals of protocols are available in the installation directory. They are PDF files.